Hello student, I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss some problems based on nomenclature. Last class I have discussed nomenclature and isomerism. Now today I am going to discuss some problems based on IUPAC. It is very important for all exams of medical, engineering or any other examination related to chemistry. In any chemistry examination, this type of question will be asked. Then now I am reading some question, and because already I have discussed, I think you will be able to solve it, but here is the right place to do practice for IUPAC nomenclature. I already told you, sometimes they will give the formula, structure they will give, and they will ask to do nomenclature. Sometimes they will give IUPAC name, and then you have to write the structure. Then here both you will do, and also I will tell the some IUPAC name of some compound. And now I am reading the question, and then you try to solve. You keep your with you pen, pencil, notebook, and you listen carefully. That is very important. In mind, you try to do all the things, because in examination, no paper will be this paper will be given with objective type. Nowadays, objective type questions are asked, and no paper will be extra paper will be given. Very less paper will be given for the some this thing to solve the problem. Not more space you will get. Very less. Then you try to solve some things in your mind only. Okay, use your mind. In mind you try to do calculation, simple calculation, and other thing that you make habit. If you want to compute any examination you want to compete, then you have to do all the things. You have to make practice. Then now I am telling the question, and then you listen the question carefully, and then you can answer. I will explain this question I am telling you. Problem: write a structure of different isomeric alkyl groups corresponding to the molecular formula C5H11. Write IUPAC name of alcohols obtained by attachment of OH groups at different carbon of the chain. Very simple question is there. First part of the question is, you have to write a structure of different isomeric alkyl groups. Okay, what are the possible isomerism? You have to write for the molecular formula C5H12. It is not like that C5H12. This is C5H11. C5H11, not the C5H12. That is the alkane. But here alkyl group. Question is telling about the alkyl groups, different isomeric alkyl groups. That's why C5H11, not the 12, H11. Then obviously one H is less. Then that will be alkyl group. C5H12 is alkane, full alkane. CH3 beginning and the end, CH3 will be there. But here it is C5H11, means last only 2 hydrogen will be there, not the 3, CH2, and one you can say this valency will be there to attach with others. Okay, this is the part 1. And part 2 is that write IUPAC name of alcohols obtained by attachment of OH groups at different carbons of the chain. Different carbons of the chain means now because it is a group ethyl, not ethyl means alkyl group. Then alkyl group is there, then this somewhere OH can be attached. Wherever possibility is there for attachment of OH, you can attach, and then you have to do these things. This you have to IUPAC name nomenclature you have to do. IUPAC nomenclature. First, you write the possible isomers of alkyl group. Second, OH group you have to attach according to the direction. OH group you have to attach at different carbon of alkyl group, because different isomers are there. Then now that OH group can be attached at different carbons. Then you have to, second step, you have to attach the OH molecules at different carbons of isomers. And after that, third step, you have to do nomenclature. Then I am telling you now, first isomer of C5H11. You can also do very easily. C5H11 groups. 3 columns you can make. First column for a structure of C5H11 groups, first column. Second column parallel way you can write corresponding alcohols. After adding the OH, it will form alcohol. Then second column you write for the corresponding alcohols. And third column you can make for the name of alcohol, IUPAC name of alcohol. 3 column you have to make. Then now I am telling one by one what are the isomers of C5H11. First isomer you write, then alcohol you can attach. Okay, OH group can attach later on. First all isomers you write, then corresponding alcohol you can write, and then you can do the nomenclature of alcohol. Then first I think now you are in a position to write the isomers. First isomer will be very easy. Why? Because C5H11, then 5 carbon first you have to write. 5 carbon, and because it is the alkyl group, hence everywhere single bond will be there. Everywhere single bond will be there. All carbon will be attached with single bond. And you have to maintain the tetravalency. You have to maintain the tetravalency of carbon. Then beginning CH3, 3 hydrogen, and last only 2 you have to write because it is the group, alkyl group. And in the middle all will be CH2, CH2, CH2. Then one you can say, one structure, one you can say isomer now easily you can write. That is the CH3, CH2, 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 and last will be again CH2, and one valence will be there open for to attach with, as for example according the question OH you have to attach. Then in second column you can same structure to write and OH you can attach. Second column. Then now it became alcohol. Okay, in second group now it became alcohol, that is the corresponding alcohol of this isomer. And then now you can write the name of the alcohol. IUPAC name you have to write. Then that is also very easy. Then 5 carbons are there. Are in the 5th carbon, OH group is attached, 5th carbon. Then only one group is there, OH. Then it will be called pentane, because 5 carbon is there. That's why pentane dash 1 dash all, OL. Very easy. Pentane dash 1 dash OL, because at the first carbon OL group is attached, OH group is attached, that is called alcohol. OH group attached. Then in shortcut it is called OL. OL means alcohol. Last, alcohol, OL. Now first you have written pentane dash 1 dash OL. Now one isomer is over. Now think for the second. What will be the second? Chemical formula will be the same. Always keep in mind. Structure may differ, but molecular formula will be same. Then now you think for the second. What will happen? Now OH you have attached to the carbon number 1. Then now what may be the others where you can attach the OH? Now suppose in second, first and last you have made CH3. First carbon, last carbon, CH3. Then inside CH2 will be there inside, but it is the alkyl group. And somewhere one H will be less. In the middle, if beginning the last CH3 is there, then in the middle CH2, 3 CH2 will be there, but because it is the alkyl group, hence out of these 3, any one will have one less hydrogen, means CH only, and that carbon one will be opened, one valence is opened to attach the, in this case, OH. Then in the middle CH2, 3 carbon was having CH2, but any one may have one hydrogen less. Any one carbon will have one hydrogen less. Suppose now it is a carbon number 3rd. Now suppose carbon number 3rd is only one hydrogen, CH, and one is open to attach, open valency to attach. Then now here what will be the alcohol? Then carbon number 3rd where it is open valency, there it will attach. Then corresponding alcohol will be you can say, you can write same structure, only OH you have to attach at carbon 3rd. From the right side you are calculating. From right side, one was there, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Suppose it is a carbon number 2. Numbering you can, if CH3 is there, first and last, then you can start from any end. If CH3 is there, beginning also, last also. Then now suppose at carbon number 2, open balance is there. Open balance is at carbon number 2. Then now at carbon number 2, OH group you attached and write in the second column corresponding alcohol. Then second carbon OH you have attached. Then what will be the name? Then just like first one, now second one also will be same, pentane dash 2 dash all, because at carbon number 2 OH group is attached. Similarly, now third third you can say isomer. Third isomer, if you will write, then here suppose you have written carbon number third, suppose OH group, this is a open valence is at carbon third, then what will happen? Then carbon number third OH will group attach, third. Then you have seen first carbon OH attached, second carbon OH attached, third carbon OH attached. Then this time what will be the name? Pentane 3 all. Then now see first, second, third you have used. First, second, third you have used. Then now after that what will happen? After that you can say this methyl group. Suppose now you can write only 4 carbon, a straight line, 4 carbon, and 1 methyl group you can write at 1, at carbon number 1 you can write 1 methyl group. Butane, when we will write 4 carbon only, the 5th carbon in the form of methyl group, that will be on carbon carbon 3. Now isomer, 1 isomer you can write C5H11, you can write like that CH3, and after that second carbon CH3 is again attached, second carbon, okay, and then last will be only CH2, 1 open valency, last carbon, 4th carbon, because only on the second CH3 group is attached, carbon number 3 from the last, that is opened valency, that is the first. After that CH2 is there, second. After that third carbon CH3 is attached and 1 hydrogen. Then how will you now make? Then here you will, just to understand, here OH will attach with the first. Here OH group you will attach with the first. Then now what will be the name? In corresponding group colon you can write alcohol CH3. After that CH and 1 CH3 is branch in a branch form. After that CH2 then OH. Then now what will be the nomenclature? Then finally OH group is attached. Then it became 4 carbons are there and OH is there in the end. The main parent is alcohol, butane 1 all. Butane 1 all, because at carbon number 1 OH group is attached. But what about methyl? Then methyl is attached at carbon number 3. Hence you have to write 3-methyl. First you write, and then parent means butane 1 all. Then 3-methyl butane 1 all. This is the third I told you isomers. Means here third carbon CH3 you have attached. Then 3 isomers I told you. Fourth isomer, same way, it will be in the butane form, butyl form. Fourth one will be opened. Valency for the group. And at second carbon now methyl group is attached. Methyl group. This is again fourth possibility, fourth isomer, that CH3 will be at carbon number 2. First carbon is only CH2 valency. Then now here you can attach, where it is open valence is there, OH you can attach. Then again it became same things, 1 butane 1 all, butane dash 1 dash all, but now at carbon number 2 CH3 is attached. Then what will be the nomenclature? Then just like previous, here 2 dash methyl in the place of 3, now we will write 2 dash methyl butane 1 all. Butane, you are writing butane, B-U-T-A-N, not E, because dash you are writing. That's why you are writing B-U-T-A-N, not E. Butane, E you have not written, B-U-T-A-N, dash 1 dash all. Then now it became 2 dash methyl butane dash 1 dash all. Then now 4 you have written, 4th you have written, 5th you have written, 5 isomers. Now 6 isomer you can see. What will the structure? Then now here, now at carbon number 2, now again you write 4 carbon, butane, CH3, both end, butane like that, CH3, and then now this open valence you can consider as at you can say as a second carbon will be this things opened, second carbon. Only on that carbon methyl group is there attached. Methyl group is attached on the same carbon. Then there this isomer is CH3, and the second carbon CH3 methyl group is attached. Then one H should be there, but that H is not there. That became open valence. H is not there, but it is isomer, because where it was CH2 in previous case, now it becomes CH3 due to that hydrogen. It's gone from here and attached to the there. Previously it was the CH2 1 dash. There it went, it became CH3. Now this carbon number 2 became open to attach with alcohol group. Hence corresponding column means alcohol column you can write, that is the OH you can attach to the second carbon from which methyl group is attached. Then now its nomenclature will be 2 dash methyl, because carbon number 2 it is there attached. Then carbon number 2 means 2 methyl butane, and only at carbon number 2 OH group is attached. Then butane dash 2 dash all. Then 2 dash methyl butane dash 2 dash OL all. Correct? Then I have told you now these things 1 and 2, 6 isomer I have told you. Now 7 possibilities is see, 7 isomer, 7th. Then here very easy to write, that now you are talking about this total 5 carbons, Then 1 carbon you write in the middle, upside CH3, down CH3, left side CH3, and 4th one will be CH2 and open valence. See, now you can see 5 carbon and 11 hydrogen. 3 into 3, 9 and 2, 11 hydrogen and 5 carbon. You can arrange like this also. CH, middle carbon you write, up CH3, down CH3, from the center, left CH3, and right is the only CH2, and it is open valence. Then now that open, only in that open OH will attached, and second column you can write same thing and attach the OH. All OH you can attach only in the second column, not the first, second column. Then what will be the this nomenclature. Then now long chain you have to consider, long chain. Then here you can write long chain means 3 carbon, everywhere 3 carbon is there. Up to down you will see, then 3 carbons are there, means CH3 CH3 from up to down, and from left to right also 3 are there, CH3 CH3, C is in the middle and OH is attached. Then where group is attached, that is the main, that is the parent, where group is attached. Then up to down, that will be not the long chain, despite 3 carbons are there in both cases, but group is attached with the, where group is attached, that chain will be considered as parent. Then second carbon CH3 is attached, that's why you will write, you will write 2 dimethyl, 2 dash dimethyl. When you will start writing letter, then capital letter only D. Okay, just like a simple sentence, we start with the capital letter, like same way, nothing to do. Then 2 dash, always for separation dash you have to write. Then 2 dash dimethyl, because both are at the carbon number 2 only, and 2 times you are adding 2 dash dimethyl propane, 3 carbons are there. Then propane, E are not at, PROPAN only you are at, not E, propane ANE. Then E you are not writing, because dash you are writing, that's why propane 2 all, not propane 1 all, because carbon number 1 OH group is attached. Then it became 2 dash dimethyl propane dash 1 dash all. Now one more you can say, you can write 7th I told you, now 8 you can write, 8 also possibility is there. How? Then now here 4 butane you write, 4, but with second you now write OH can attach at second also, second carbon, first and fourth carbon, that is the CH3, first and last CH3, and carbon number third is methyl, carbon number third is methyl group attached, and carbon number 2, now it is open valence is there, open valence, carbon number 2, and carbon number 3 methyl group is attached. Then main branch will be what? Main branch will be again alcohol, because 4 carbons are there, the longest is considered as the parent or main parent. Then now in the second column you write with carbon number 2 OH group you can attach, now it became alcohol. And now carbon number 3 methyl group is there, then you can write 3 dash methyl butane dash 2 dash all, butane 2 all, butane dash 2 dash all. Okay. Then here you have written all 8 possibilities, 8 isomers. Actually it needs practice. In free time you can write and do all the things by your own. Okay, as a practice in extra time, just you do practice C5H11. Now I have already told you. Now again you write and do your practice now 2-3 times. How many you can isomers are possible? Okay, in a paper you write all possibilities, you write. If you will think, then you will find Only these 8 possibilities are there. 8 possibilities. Okay. Then now this you write, then after writing you will get confident. I have told you total 8 isomers, then and total 8 automatically 8 alcohol will be attached somewhere alcohol will be attached at a different carbon. Okay, then 8 isomers you have written, that's why 8 alcohol and 8 nomenclature, correct. But C5H11, all molecular formula is C5H11. Then you do practice by your own, you write how many you are writing. Okay, already I have told, but you also by your own you write, it needs practice. Now I am telling you some compounds, all are alkane only, all are alkane. Now only we are focusing on alkane. Whenever new compound you will study, there some their nomenclature you have to for that compound. This is actually way to study. First you should know the name of the person to whom you are talking, correct. If you are talking to anybody, then what? You will ask the name, what is your name? Then you will call the person by that name. Like that way, here when any compound you consider as a man, that's why every man will have their own name. Their height may be different, physics will be different, correct or not? All are man only, that's why all are isomers. All human beings are isomers, just like isomer. All have head, hand, leg, nose, eyes. Then what? Only there you can tell some difference is there. Appearance all have, but some are long, some are short, medium height, these, that, correct or not? But they are not changing. Number of hand, leg, eyes, nose, head, stomach, legs, all are the same. But they all appear different. All appears different due to their structure. Little structure change is there. Just simply I told you that all million organic compounds are there. Million of organic compounds. Then how will you call them? All have different properties. Then you have to call by a special name. That's why IUPAC name has been given, and it is accepted by all countries of the world, almost all. Some are there, they are not following, but most of the countries are following. Okay. But those who are following the IUPAC rule regulation, then all will call for the same things, same name. Then here other compounds are there. I am telling the structure. Now I am telling the structure. Then what will be the name, that you have to understand. Now a structure is given. A structure of the compound is given. Now we have to tell the IUPAC name. A structure is given. Sometimes name will be given, a structure you have to write. Then now we can see both I will tell a structure and name. Then here actually now this is the few organic compounds, their nomenclature I am telling you. Then first a structure I am telling you. Then here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is actually question. Okay. You need more practice. You can't escape this organic chemistry. You can't escape. You have to follow these things, IUPAC rule regulation. Only then you will understand the organic chemistry. Now it is in the beginning. This is the starting of organic chemistry. That's why you have to learn. And then later on slowly automatically you will understand. Then you need more practice. one time nothing will happen. And now I am telling you that now compound they have given, it is the branched compound, organic compound, branched alkane. Then at carbon number 2 and at carbon number 4, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are a state line, 6 carbon. And first and last is methyl group CH3. 6 are there. But at carbon number 2 and 4, carbon number 2 and 4, at carbon number 2 methyl group is attached, and at carbon number 4 ethyl group is attached. Then how will you give the numbering? First you can tell. Carbon number 1 to 6 you have to write, because some groups are attached, that's why you have to follow the rule. Then lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement you have to think over. Okay. Then lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement you have to follow. Then here you can see that methyl group should get, because a small group is there and it should get lowest number. You attach methyl group at that carbon which will get least carbon number, lowest carbon number. Then now it is the number 2, carbon number 2 you can attach, because CH3 already, first carbon is CH3, there is no scope to attach. Second carbon is, you can attach, scope is there, second. Then after that, now when second carbon you are written, now you continue second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, last will be the sixth, and fourth already it is given ethyl group CH3 CH2. Then here how will you do nomenclature? This structure is given, number is also given, only you have to do the nomenclature. Then easily you can write first alphabetically which is coming first, that you have write first. Then E and M, methyl group, methyl M letter is there, ethyl E letter is there. Then first you have to take the name of ethyl M, methyl M letter is there. Then first E letter you have to write, means carbon number 4 ethyl group is attached. Then you should write 4-ethyl. After that you have to write -2-methyl, and total 6 carbon is there. Then hexane. Then 4-ethyl, again a dash, carbon number 2 methyl hexane. That is done, that is very easy. Carbon number 4 methyl group is there, then 4 first you write 4 and then dash, always for separation dash, 4-ethyl, ethyl is over, again methyl you have to write, but that is at carbon number 2, then ethyl dash carbon, ethyl dash 2 carbon number 2, and then again dash, and then methyl pentane, carbon number 2 methyl group is there, then methyl pentane. Then this I have told you and you have understood for this structure. Now second structure I am telling you. Second structure what is given, that is little complicated, not difficult. Okay, little you have to think. Then here actually total 8 carbons are there. Total 8 carbons. Long chain is 8. Okay, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And at carbon number 3, 2 groups are attached. At carbon 3, 2 group is attached. Which group is attached? Then ethyl group is attached at carbon 3. Two groups, same carbon. At the same carbon, carbon number 3, two groups are attached, both are ethyl group. Ethyl. Then it is easy, you are remembering. Now after that, carbon number 4 methyl group is attached. And again carbon number 5th, propyl group is attached. Then propyl means here isopropyl group is at continuous at 3 carbon 3 groups are there. Then now you follow the rule. What is the rule? Then first you write the lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement. What you have done, same rule is there. Now here what will be the nomenclature? Then see here, alphabetically three groups are there. Then one is alkyl group at carbon number 3, carbon number 4 methyl, and carbon number 5 propyl, P. Then which one will come first? E, M and P. E, M and P. Then first will come E means ethyl, after that methyl, and the end P means propyl. Propyl means here C with the middle carbon, three carbons are there, then 2 CH3 group is attached, and third is hydrogen, fourth is vacant valence, that is attached with the main long chain. With carbon 5th. Okay. Then CH3, 2 CH3 group, 1 hydrogen group, and one is open, that is attached with 5th group. That's why it is called isopropyl. The nomenclature you can do. Then here 3,3 dimethyl, 3,3 dash dimethyl. You have done, one work is over. Dimethyl, not diethyl. 3,3 dash diethyl. Now come to the 5th. Then diethyl, after that carbon number 5 you are writing, then left and right both sides you write dash. You learn it. Whenever number you are writing, then left and right you write this thing, dash, make habit. Then 3,3 dash dimethyl. Starting this will not work, but in the middle it will work, this rule. Then 3,3 dash dimethyl, again dash 5 dash, now isopropyl you have written, now again dash 4 carbon you have to write now, then before and after 4 you have to write dash, left right, then dash 4 dash, after that what you will write? Main you have to write, that is the methyl, and it is a total 8 is there, then octane, then compound became 3,3 dash diethyl dash 5 dash isopropyl, again dash 4 dash methyl octane. Correct? Now next compound I am telling you. This is I think it is easy. Chain is there. Here also chain is there, but chain is a little complicated, but you can do it, not a problem. Then here now compound total number of carbon is 10, which is a decan actually, 10. Long chain carbon is 10. But carbon number 4, here it is a propyl. Carbon number 4 to carbon number 4 branch is there, and carbon number 5 branch is there. Okay, then carbon number 4 isopropyl is there. Okay, carbon number 4 isopropyl group is attached, what I have discussed just before. Carbon number 4 isopropyl group is attached, and at carbon number 5 secondary butyl group is attached. 4 carbon chain is attached. 4 carbon chain, butyl group is attached. Then obviously butane, from the butane 1 hydrogen will be not there. That's why it became group, butyl group, not butane, butyl. Just like a propane, one was not there, hydrogen, propyl, isopropyl. Like same way here this butyl group is there. Then here butyl group is there, but main carbon is attached with the 2 carbon in butyl. We are talking about the butyl, 2 carbon. Then already I told you, when any carbon is attached with the 2 carbon, then it is called secondary. When 1 carbon, then primary. When 2 carbon, 1 carbon is attached with 2 carbon. 2 carbons, total is becoming 3, but that you don't count. That carbon from which other 2 are attaching, that carbon don't count. Then 2 carbon which is attached with 2 carbon, that is secondary. And when 3, then tertiary. When 4, then quaternary or neo. Then here now it is attached with this butyl group is there, butyl group. Then obviously when butyl group, it is attaching with only 2 carbon. With 2 carbon, 1 is hydrogen attached there. Then and one is opened. Out of 4, 2 carbon, it is attached with 2 carbon, and 1 is attached with hydrogen, and 4th one is opened. Hence it is the secondary butyl. Total carbon is straight chain carbon 4 is there, total carbon. Okay, then where open is there, open valence is there, only from that it is attached with carbon 5. Now it became, nomenclature is very easy. Then butyl and propyl, whose name will come first alphabetically? Butyl and propyl. B will come first, hence you write butyl first. But first you write the carbon from which it is attaching, then it is attaching with carbon 5. Then first you write 5 and then group name. Then it is a secondary butyl, hence you write 5 secondary, SEC shortcut, SEC secondary dash butyl. After that you write propyl, means carbon number 4, you write both sides, left and right, dash dash, and then isopropyl, and then main long chain, that is the decane. Then name became 5 secondary butyl. Secondary or butyl, 1 dash you have to write. 5 secondary butyl, and then 4 carbon you are writing both side dash, then dash 4 dash isopropyl decane. This now one more I am telling you, 2 more is there. Then now you can see this is also easy. But one thing you have to understand, numbering you have to count properly. Okay, numbering. Now here a question they have given, this total number of question, this carbon is 9, known. Okay, 9 is there, straight 9. Means first and last CH3 is there, or in the middle all CH2 except one. One is CH, and from there other group is attached, branch. That is carbon number 4, it is only CH. From that carbon group is attached. Otherwise all are CH2. First and last CH3, and except carbon 5 from which group is attached, that carbon is only H. Otherwise all carbon is in the middle, CH2. Okay. Then which group is attached there? Then here importance you have to give to the branch is there. That is important. That is new. That carbon number 5th I told you na, that one branch is attached. Then in that branch is there. That is here only important things. Then here at carbon number 5 branch is attached. Then here numbering you have to count which one is long. Then here you have to count this number who is the longest chain. Then it will come 5, 6, 7, 8. Including branch it is coming 8, but straight it is 9. Hence it will be known in only branch name you have to write properly. Then in branch actually 3 carbons are there. Means a propane is there, propyl group is there. But what is happening that at carbon number 2 methyl group is attached. Okay. That at carbon means this total in branch 3 to 5 carbons are there. Then 3 are straight and 2 are side branches there. That is the CH3. At carbon number 2 out of 3, I am talking about the branch group. At carbon number 2 actually methyl group, 2 methyl group is attached, CH3. Then only here you have to be careful in doing nomenclature. Then here name will be 5 first you write. Only one group is attached at carbon 5. Then 5 you write first. 5, after that you write a dash, and after that you write in bracket you can write 2 you have written 2 dash dimethyl propyl, because with propane 2 methyl group was attached in the central atom out of 3 in the middles, that you can tell 2 in that methyl group was attached. That's why you are writing in bracket. In bracket special you are doing nomenclature for the branch, and then you will count for the, it will attach with the main. Then in branch first you do nomenclature always. When in branch is there, then first you do nomenclature for the branch only in a bracket, and then you can attach it, you can tag it with long. Then now its a branch, its a nomenclature will be final 5 dash. In bracket you are writing, very easy, because you are doing nomenclature with the branch for propane, that in the center 2 methyl groups attached. You consider as a separate nomenclature. Then you can, for this you can write 2 dash dimethyl propyl. You consider as a separate question. This CH3, that is in that propane 2 methyl groups attached with the carbon 2. Then first you do this nomenclature for this only in bracket, then it will be 2,2-dimethyl propyl. Close the bracket, and now come to the main, because this group is attached to the carbon 5th. Hence you have already written 5 dash, already you have written in bracket these things you have written 2,2-dimethyl propyl. Close the bracket, and after that finally it is a nonen. You write the nonen. And last is that that is again a 7 group. 7 carbons are there. Long chain is 7 carbon. And already numbering is done in question. You have to not do here. Then now carbon number you can say 3rd ethyl group is attached. It is very easy. Carbon number 3rd ethyl group is attached, and carbon number 5 methyl group is attached. Very easy, like first one. Very easy, you can do by your own very easily. 7 carbon number is there, then heptane will be there, no doubt. And that carbon number 3 ethyl group is there, and carbon number 5 methyl group is there. Then you know you have to follow the alphabetical order. Then you have to write ethyl first, means carbon number 3 it is attached. Then 3 dash ethyl. After that carbon number 5 methyl is there. Then 3 dash ethyl and dash 5 dash methyl heptane. In the last you can write heptane full name, heptane. It is very easy. Only alphabetical priority you have to follow. Alphabetical priority order you have to see. Then now this question I have discussed. Now one more question is there. That is a problem that you have to write the IUPAC name of the following compounds. This is a different question, and this question has 3 part. But you can write this. First question is there. Now they have given what is the difference. Now they have written this thing, condensed molecular formula. Condensed means they have written as a formula, not a structure. A structure is not there. Now what is given, that was the structure was given. Open structure was there, branch structure, long structure. But now it is a condensed, and then you have to write. That's why here pen and paper, book, notebook is required, hint is required. Then it will be very easy to write, because it is a condensed. Then now first question is that CH3 whole 3. CH3 whole 3, then 1 carbon is there, and after that again CH2 is there, and after that again carbon is there, and then again CH3 whole 3 is there. It is a condensed formula. You should be careful. Paper is required. Then you can write. Then in the beginning means in the beginning and last. In the first carbon, with the first carbon 3 CH3 group is attached, and with the third carbon again 3 CH3 group is attached. That's why it is written CH3 whole 3 C. After that again CH2, again C, third C. With this C again triple CH3 3 methyl group is attached. Means first carbon, 3 carbons are main are 3 carbon. Mains are 3 carbon. Then first carbon and third carbon 3 methyl group is attached. Then if you will write, how will you write? First you have to expand it. A structure you have to write, and then easily you can do nomenclature. Then here 3 carbons are attached with the first carbon, 3 methyl group is attached. Then upside 1 methyl group, down 1 methyl group, and left 1 methyl group. Then now it became 4 carbon, 4 carbon. Like that way, last carbon CH3 is there, then one up, one down, one straight. Then again one carbon will increase. Then total 5 carbon, 5 straight chain. 5 straight chain. Then in the first carbon you have seen up down, up CH3, down CH3. And last also CH3 up, CH3 down. Then now total long chain is 5. But in the beginning and last 2 methyl group is attached. 2 methyl group is attached. Hence its nomenclature is very easy to do. After writing the structure, it will be very easy to do the nomenclature, because at carbon number 2 and carbon number 4, 2 methyl group is attached. Carbon number, what we are thinking in the beginning, 3 carbon, then with first carbon 3 CH3 group was attached. Then one was up, one was down, and one was left. Then now you can say this carbon from which CH3 was attached, that is actually 2, and one CH3 which came left, that became the 1. Hence total 5 carbon. Then beginning what we were thinking first, that is actually second, and first will be the CH3. 3 CH3 was there, then one CH3 straight, that became the first. Then that's why on the second carbon 2 methyl group is attached. Then you should write 2, 2. Again you write comma. Again 4, 4. 4, 4. And all are methyl group. All are methyl group. Hence you can write tetramethyl. Tetra, you can write tetramethyl, and finally it became pentane. Hence tetramethyl pentane. Then this again I am telling you, it became 2, 2. Again write 4, 4. Because same group is a total 4 methyl group is attached. Only carbon difference is there. Carbon 2, 2. At carbon number 2 methyl group. That's why 2, 2. Again continuously you write 4, 4. Then total 4 methyls are there. Then 2, 2, 4, 4 dash you write. And then tetramethyl pentane. Tetramethyl pentane. Then like that way you have written there this nomenclature, and like that way 2 more are there, but I will discuss in the next class. It will take more time, other things are also there. Next class again we will do some more questions are there. You need more practice, that's why I am giving priority, because in medical engineering this question is asked, this type of question. You can't escape. That's why I am also not escaping. I am going in details. Okay. Thank you.